Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. As you can see, I've got a little neckline on, and you know what that means. It means John or yarn. I always say, John, please, I want some yarn. So anyway, I went to Cancer Research, which is a charity shop, thrift store, charity. And obviously it's for Cancer Research because there it says it on there, and it says, noticed anything unusual, tell your doctor. Spotting cancer early saves lives. It blooming does. I can attest to that. As you know, I've just had major surgery to rid me of cancer, and it worked. Spotted it early. Makes a difference. So, my infomercial over. Let's get on with the yarn. Now, they do a nice lot of yarn in there. They do a bright load of colours and they do a pastel load of colours. The pastel ones are quite newish, a lot of them. Not seen them in there as much. But it is all the same brand. It's the Cygnet Pato Baby DK. I think all of what I got was baby. I think it's about £1.29 a ball, which is amazing price. Although I do have some really nice lemon and some of these colours already, I wanted to make sure that I got all the same yarn to make this project, so they'll all be, as far as I can make it, the same thickness. But as we all know, that some brands, well, all brands, when you buy different colours, sometimes one of them will be fatter, one of them will be thinner, because it just comes out that way for some bizarre unknown reason. There's a bit of fluff on there. But this is a lovely, lovely lemon, and it's Cygnet Pato Baby DK. Let's get the yarn light on. And it's 100% acrylic, machine washable to 40 degrees, which is a little bit better than some. It's an upside down. Wow. This is called Lemon, shade 798. And it's a real bargain, actually, in there. Under £2 for a ball. Really, it's really gorgeous, and it's like something like £1.20. So I bought 2 of this really lovely lemon, and then look at this colour. Oh well, and I know I do have some previous stuff, but as I say, I wanted to make sure I had enough. So I got 2 of these, and this is beautiful. I absolutely love this colour so much. Again, Cygnet Pato Baby DK, and the 100% acrylic, machine washable to 40 degrees. And this is shade 782 Lilac. Does it give me the yardage? I don't think it does. What's this bit? No, that's their address and their email address. Is there no yardage? No. Let's just check it out a bit more. Upside down. Hand wash and machine wash. Acrylic. British standards. No, there's no yardage, which is the only thing that lets them down, because Cygnet do serious yarns, which you'd think. It's not just some little company. You'd think they would. So again, I've got this beautiful blue. Look at that. Isn't that a gorgeous blue? Really, really lovely. And again, it's the baby. It's the Cygnet Pato Baby. Beautiful colour. And what have we got colourwise? Upside down, of course. This is baby blue, and it's 785 shade. But look at that, and look how gorgeous they all look together so far. But that's not all. No. Look at that lovely mint, and it is really hard sometimes to find a decent mint green. And they had this one in there. All of their colours were astonishingly good, I have to say. So this Cygnet Pato is really lovely stuff. It's lovely and soft. Absolutely. So we've got mint 790. And I've got 2 of those as well. Now, the reason I got this was I might make my sister a baby blanket for her grandchild. So I've got pink. Got to have a bit of pink in it because it is a girl, this bubby. And it is 797 Candy. What a lovely colour. Lovely name. So that's Candy. While I was there, I picked up this. Oh, look, I've got a bill. That's brilliant. your bag is worth 25% more with a gift aid certificate. Because I used to do GEMMA'S House, which was a children's hospice, and I used to give them my gift aid, and so everything that I wanted to give to charity I was parcel up. So you get this little card which is attached. You fill this all in, and you've got bag labels as well. So when you take it in, they will get 25% more money on the stuff that you've given them. So here we go. The actual price, oh, I lied, it's the dearer one. I think the £1.29 was for the Pato normal yarn. This is the baby, and it's £2.98. So it is slightly dearer, but it is well worth it because it is just beautiful stuff. Now this really pale lemon, almost a creamy lemon, but to me it's more yellow than cream. So I'll be interested to see what the colour is. It says it's cream. 789 cream, but it's more yellowy, I think. More of a buttermilk, I'd say. So I got that as well. And then I just got some white, and I bought three of them. I didn't see that price on the list. They had all the prices listed there. Large balls, small balls. There weren't any large and small. They were all the same size. So I don't know why they've got that. But that's obviously just the price of the Pato, which is nice. Don't get me wrong. You could still use it for a baby, but this is much, much nicer, obviously, because this is real baby DK. So I would have, even if I'd seen the price, I still would have got the baby over the other because it's not expensive. It's under £3. It's not dear at all. So this is 799 white, and I bought 3 of those. So this is enough to make about 3 baby blankets, I'd say, depending on what you're going to make, or a big cot blanket. So I got it anyway. I wanted to make sure I had enough quantities. I haven't got a design in my head yet, but I will have. So that's what I got. So the total bill for all of this was £22.40, because obviously you pay VAT. So it's £18.67, but the VAT is £3.73. And that's a bit naughty, I think, because I think our government, when you're looking at a charity shop, should waive VAT, or let the charity shop have that tax. So maybe charge us that tax, but give it back. So I think that's one of the things that a gift aid does, you know, gives them back that money. So I'm going to fill this out and take that with me whenever I donate anything, and give it to cancer research from now on. I don't go to GEMMA'S anymore. It's in the actual town. I very rarely ever go to town. And now I've had cancer, and it's something that's very obviously close to me. I will donate now to the cancer research. It's not to say I'll never give to GEMMA'S, but I never go into town, so I'd have to make a special trip just to give them stuff. So that's my little haul. Hope you liked it. Beautiful colours, all of them, and they do look absolutely gorgeous together. It's going to be a bit hard for me to show you because I've got small hands, but look, there they are. Aren't they gorgeous? I think that's all of them. Got the, yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's what I got. I'm very pleased with that, and there's way more yarn than I need there, so I could make lots of stuff with that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now, everyone.